Hi, I'm Ellen from Graco. I'm going to show you how to set up and take down Graco's Travel Lite bassinet. Before you begin assembling the canopy, locate the two plastic canopy mounts inside of the cardboard insert that is at the top of the box. Insert the canopy wires into the canopy mounts and wrap the elastic loop fully around the canopy mount. Repeat on the other side. To set up the bassinet, start by removing the bassinet frame from the carry bag. Next, locate the gray latch found at the top of the bassinet. Slide the frame upwards towards the top of the bassinet. Squeeze the frame until the latch snaps into place. A tip is to unsnap the fabric at the corner of the frame before you attempt to lock the latch. Don't forget to snap the fabric back to the corner after you have locked the latch. Check that the bassinet is locked into place by pushing down at the center of the frame. Before use, check the fabric at the top by ensuring that each of the 6 snaps are securely attached to the 6 corners. Next, check the fabric at the bottom by ensuring that each strap is correctly fastened through the loop and back onto the fabric. Next, attach the canopy clips at opposite ends of the frame. You may rotate the canopy to either side in order to keep the sun out of baby's eyes. If full coverage is needed, unzip the canopy and pull the ends of the canopy downwards until they cover the bassinet. To pack up your product, first remove the canopy from the bassinet and set to the side. Next, release the bassinet by squeezing the frame together. Another tip is to unsnap the fabric at the latch corner before squeezing. Once your bassinet is released, you can fold your bassinet together so that it is in a closed position. Place your folded bassinet into the carry bag. Lastly, place your canopy into the pocket of the carry bag. And now you're ready to take Graco's Travel Lite bassinet on the go.